What's up, Scrappy peeps? It's Aline from Scrapmazing, and I'm finally back with a new video. Whoop whoop! After a year and more than a year, and I'm finally back, and I filmed a video. I started creating again in August a little bit, and before that, I took some time off, more than a year, because I had to focus on university and other things in life. And yeah, now I really want to get back into scrapbooking because I enjoy it so much, and I had the feeling that there was something missing, an outlet to have something that I really enjoy. So I'm back, and I decided to do videos again. And here's my first one. So I'm participating in a YouTube hub that is put together by Sarah Scraps, and we are focusing to scrapbook something that is related to learning or school. And I'm scrapbooking myself, and the story behind this photo. So this photo was taken during my vacation. I went on my holiday. I did a Europe trip, but that's not the story about the photo. Basically, the photo is about a decision I made during my vacation or during my trip, because I was thinking what I wanted to do after my bachelor degree, and I decided to follow my feeling that I had. I wanted to do something more creative, something more related to tech, and learn coding skills to do some web development and UX designing and so on. And that's basically the story. I decided to step up and just go for it. And yeah, I'm starting this adventure going on this month, and I'm taking half a year off of university and all these things. I'm still working part-time, but yeah, I want to document that I really had the courage to decide that I want to do that. And yeah, this layout is all about that, and I will use the title Learning New Things to document that story. So now you know all about the story behind the layout, but I haven't talked about the layout at all. So I start doing that now. Basically, the scripty paper in the background is from Pinkfish Studio, and it's from the collection In Case of the Blast, something like that. And then I added a strip of pattern paper that's a wood grain paper from Maggie Holmes' Gather collection, and just added a strip that is more to the left. And then I added two 6x8 papers. These are from Citrus Twist. I got a few kits from them, and I thought this one paper with the lines on it was perfect, talking about learning and school or learning by myself at home. So I thought this was perfect. And then I also added some embellishments. These are a mix of Citrus Twist, and a few of them are from the new Office Hours collection from Pinkfish Studio. As this 6x6 paper is, I'm adding to my layers behind my photo. Basically what I'm doing, I try to add some dimension to my photo because it was pretty flat and I wanted to add more dimension to it. To do this, I added some vellum, and I added some other Felicity Jane paper that was from a Christmas collection I had, and then the 6x6 paper from the Pinkfish Studio line. So I had some layers behind my photo and it was not so flat. To add more interest, I wanted to add some splatters to the wood grain to add some interest. And basically I'm taking this white paint and putting or doing some splatters with my I can't get my words together. My words together. Oh my god. But I added some splatters to the wood grain, basically. And now I'm adding a strip of paper. Just I ripped it out of my paper paper college block, however it's called, so that it's really a kind of a notebook paper look. And yeah, I'm adding some foam dots to it because I wanted to have it popped up a little, and then I glued down everything I had laid out before. I did it off camera because yeah, it's just gluing down all the things, and I used some foam tape to add some dimension to some of these pieces, like the books are popped up and the title is popped up a little. Yeah, now I'm going through some embellishments of the Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours collection to add some final details. And yeah, the hop, please make sure to check out all the ladies that I linked below in the description box. And they are doing a layout about school and learning as well, and I'm looking forward to watch these videos myself because I'm really interested in what they are documenting. I documented a kind of different story because I don't have kids that are going to school. I'm not going to school anymore. I'm at university, but I thought this is something that is really a decision that was important to me a few weeks ago, and I wanted to document that. And I really liked all the elements I pulled from the Citrus Twist and Pink Fresh Studio lines, and I had also Maggie Holmes and all of that. So this is basically a layout. I mixed all these things together and I think I made them work pretty well. Yeah, I'm just adding a few final touches and with these stars, and I try to have all the colors in every of the 3 clusters. So I had like the coral, the yellow, the pink, and some minty bluish color. So I try to add these in all the 3 colors so it is balanced through the layout feels balanced. So yeah, I'm finishing up these stars, and then this is my layout. I will hold it up to you. I hope you enjoyed the layout. Please let me know in the comments down below what I should film for the next months. I'm planning my whole YouTube channel new, so if you have videos that you would like to watch, leave me a comment down below, and if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye!